you safe. You will still have a plastic, Dad.
What's that? Put it na lang dito. Para safe na magyapon na siya.
I only that one.
Put it there na lang.
Except this one.
Ayaw, put it there eh.
Because basta mawala, di ko find.
You can find it. It's still in the box man. Mawala no na diha.
But I have an idea. I have so many solutions today because I have a peaceful sleep. Ano ba ko kaon, Dad? Ano ko ba kaon?
Nagunsa naman natin ka sa ubos.
Wala pa.
And put it inside the box.
Pwede po like this. Because for I can find it easily. Nati.
Ayaw na ibutang diha na dito. No, dere oh.
Thank you. This one. This toilet, the funny ay because open eh. Open. Where's the sponge in it? And it's even of you. Assemble me. Yung ay.
Ay batang na sad. Sad ka wala.
Wala.
Bilang ko na sad ka. Kung dili makasad,
Because I'm cleaning up my stuff.
why you cleaning up your stuff? Why are you cleaning up your stuff?
Because I need room for the baby as well. My baby brother is almost coming. I'm preparing for the house. This is a kamawa ba? A kamawa for the baby.
So, kamawa.
Kani? You can put this anywhere. You keep this as well, Dad? Dad, put this one and this one side because that's all my toys. Because that's my drawings. Except that may work.
Look how organized a meal is. Separate niya yung toys, separate po niya yung for drawing. Bi, ako ibutang din biya. Bi, I'll put it this here.
Dad. Let's give it a prank.
So that, you get it at one time. Imong ring, nalagpot imong ring. So you need to gather all the cardboards first. Make sure ha na delete na siya kuwang ha. Make sure that nothing's missing. Ay no. You need to take the top first before you pull it out. So you focus on the top first. Remember how we assemble it? Before you can remove the bottom, you need to remove the top. Slowly. Diba? Take your time man ka. Huwag ka mag-hurry. You put something there. It's for the drawing man kaha na.
Gusto
I have an idea. O, pero dili na siya masagol. Ay, sorry. Sorry.
After when I'm done, I can take this off.
I-gather sa tanan before ni may putang. How are you going to remove that bit? Let's see. Need help? Just let me know. Let me know if you need help. Basin mabali na.
Ay! Good thing is an S tail.
Let's see, bigyan sa pag-dismantle be. You're the one who helped me assemble it man. So, let's see how you will dismantle it. Okay. Very good. Nabasa sa rain be. It's okay lang.
It's okay.
Put it there, oh. I-include lang ni siya para na tulo pa di gihapon dia de. Okay, you remove it one at a time.
Hello.
Make sure the pillars are complete, ha.
Jojo, I know how to do this. Mango.
Putang na lang dito. You can put it right away. Only the cardboards lang ay bilin.
Yeah, because kasi wala na space for the cardboards.
You okay? It means it's hard, ha?
This is the best time ever. Music good.
Nagamit mo ko sa phone. Mag-music rest, daddy. Ta 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 ta. Oh. You already throw the stuff with it. Throw na lang po na dito.
Ay.
Awan na. I-throw na nimo.
Only that big one is allowed. Only.
Sige na, faster.
Well, that was the lake.
That was dali ka karon. That was
Quick.
fast. Okay, post na ba na ako sa Facebook. You need to remove it one at a time. Sad na siya kaya nag-ibus lang up. Sad na kong baby. Don't be sad. If you're happy and you know, you clap your hands. Aray. Kita to be.
Not trouble with you. I'm not sad.
If you're happy and you know, you clap your hands. Clap your hands. If you're happy. If you're happy and you know, you do really want to show. If you're happy and you know, you clap your hands. Sad siya.
Ay, lagay!
Okay. Pasensya kay your dad is a bully.
Because in school, sa una si Daddy is a bully in school.